Yeah, you can just sell. Are you ready? Let's go. It's on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Back at it. Back like I'm Coco. So you know just how we do. And I'm here with
Sunshine.
Sunshine. Is that your real name?
Yeah.
What? That's my first time, dog. Sunshine. That's a beautiful and unique name. Dang.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So, Sunshine, please tell me, man, what are your preferences in a guy?
Yo. Ke tla re keng? I nna ke na di preferences. A ke batle bashimane.
You don't date boys?
Right.
Like, you don't do males?
Right.
You lie.
Ka o botsa ke tshole.
Marawa DJ.
Ay, what's that?
Okay. No, like 10 tables, plate.
No,
You don't? You don't?
no.
Saretsa dipare, a re bana ba hao.
What's the ideal amount to spend on the first date?
Boma 2K.
2K.
Yeah.
Bona bana ba ma 2K ba rata di 2K. Ai Okay, so nak battle your take, ne? Let's say we are an item. I do everything for you. Take good care of you. Take good care of everything. But then I cheat on you. Would you leave me or give me another chance?
Ay, ke tlo tlogela.
Right.
I love you for who you are, not for what you have.
Okay, but like when talk like you cheated for like one
Yeah.
mistake I wanna get
Wena no ya kae?
temptations dilo da kala or if pampetile ran cash guy thola ke ran tsotse snacks.
Shame on you, Shara.
Okay, fair. What are your top 3 red flags in a gent?
Yo. Moshimane sa tlhaping. Yo. Ay. Nja tlhapa at least like half body nyana ge. Something.
Student card, my card.
Yeah, na like babo.
Number 2.
Yo, sanghamlomo nja. Sanghamlomo ay.
Last one.
Ay last one. Lucky one. Ke moshimane o itjwetsang. Ay why we itjwetsa? A o pika tsela e sa itjwetsa.
You're not that big though. Saiputsa arena chu. Aye. Translation please, ne? I'ma say it in Sotho, you say it in English. Pula in it.
Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
The rain went hard on me.
No, guys.
We're hard, baby. We're hard. We're hard. Gumnande Soweto Yakchela. Who's your favorite piano vocalist or just vocalist in general?
Nobantu Vilakazi.
One Nobantu Vilakazi song?
Yo. Mina nawazwani. Hlezi udakiwe. Woo! Kusemini kusebusuku. Woo! Awunalubalo.
Yes, sir! Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Okay, so please give us the word of the day. Ritual Labo.
Yo, word of the day. Ay hlapolo bona bana ba bang.
Askizeni, hlangane nabanye abantwana sidlalisaneni kahle. Stay safe. Sabarafo. From me to you and only you know just how we do. Shut up.